Monique. I'm just going to show you quickly how to sort of fill up this space on the right hand side of the website. So just to let you know what I was talking about with pixel size for 200, this is just a measuring tape here, but you can see 200, 205, it's roughly the size of that space there. So 200 pixels, if I go like that, will sort of fit in that space there. And the height doesn't really matter, but 200 pixels is the width between there and there. So if we go to your pixler.com, there you are, and just do the editor, or open photo editor. There's different ways of doing that. You can open your image that you have a image from your computer. You want to do that, just click on there and look for your image here. There's something called open image from a URL. I like to use this as well, because what you can do is you can go to Google here and let's see, happy holidays with some lights or something. Lights. You can sort of search in Google. Well, you don't want to search everything. You actually want to use the Google Images. So it's going to look under Google Images for some fancy lights or something like that. Anyway, I take a look through the images and see till I find something that I like. Like this snowman's kind of cute. What you can do is you can right click on it and you get these options, and I usually open the image in a new tab. So these are tabs at the top here. And this tab here has just our snowman by himself. So what I want to do is I want to copy the image URL. That's right clicking on there, copy image URL, and go back to my photo and paste my URL in there. So that's going to open up in my photo editor that little snowman. Then you might want to add some text, so click on the little text thing there, and you can even write your own happy holidays. Choose a nice color, maybe yellow, something like that. Try that. Okay. Maybe a different font size. Acadian. See if that does bold. Let's see somewhere we can sort of see him. Okay. So let's just click on it again and see. Change the color to something a little darker. There we go, red. Alright, sometimes a little bit playing around with this sort of thing, or maybe that text is a little bit too fancy. It's not very readable in our thing here. So anyway, you have all kinds of different choices. Oh, if you just scan over them, it's changing some of them. I don't want to take up too much time deciding on a font. Okay, so now then you'll see that the size is 326. Well, that's the wrong size, so we have to reduce this image. So image size is the first one. We want to bring it down to 200. Okay, and we'll make sure the constrained proportions so that doesn't get all wonky on us. Oh, and you can see our holidays thing is too big now, so we'll just change the size of that to a little bit smaller. Bring that down. Okay. So there's our little snowman with happy holidays. Now I mentioned that text doesn't look so great on him. We can do something else. We did the image size, but we can do a canvas size as well. So you can see the width is 200. Well, the height is 95. Let's bring the height up a bit. Okay. Let's bring it to 280, and this is telling us where to anchor the image. So let's anchor the image to the top so that there's going to be added space at the bottom here. So I'll do OK, and you can see that it adds a little bit of white space there. So we can go back to that text again, click on it, and bring it down here, and there we go. That looks a little bit better with the happy holidays in there. And oops, Our canvas might be a little bit too big still. Did I put 200? I put a little bit too big of a size here, so oops. Let's go back and change that canvas size again. Height. Let's bring it down to 160. There we go. Maybe even a little bit less. There's actually a crop button here. Let's see if we can do that using this. This is a crop tool. Let's bring it there. This is the area we want to keep. Oops. There we go. So I just highlighted the area I want to keep. Let's get rid of a little bit more there. And I clicked on it, and I double clicked on it, and it made it smaller. So that looks nice. Now we want to save that. File, save. Call that English. Oops, no spaces. You can use underscore. Call it English Holidays because it's in English. JPEG quality 80, that's fine. The size is going to be 10 kilobytes, so that's fine. I'm going to save it where? This is on my computer. I don't know where you can save it, but I usually save it in my documents. So just going to save it in my documents or on my desktop. Now I can go back to Welcome Lac-Brome here in our administration area, and this is our module manager. And you can probably you did the copy of the winter classes, so I'm going to use that. So I'm going to go in there. I'll make a new one, just so I don't want to mess up your system here. So I'm going to make a copy of the Winterfest button. So I checked on it. I just click copy. Now there's a copy of the Winterfest. Just as an example, I'm going to delete everything that's in there anyway. Now I'm going to add that new image that's in my documents. So I'm going to upload it to the image manager. So I clicked on the image. Here's all our folders in here. So I'm going to put it in. I'll put it in icons. How's that? Anyway, just for fun. Choose file. Well, I know it's not in my downloads. It's in my documents. There we are, documents, and it's called English Holidays. I'm going to open that just so I can see the open button, and I'm going to upload it. There it is, Happy Holidays. It's 200 pixels by 136, so I'm going to select that, make sure the URL is in there. If I go to the side there, I can see that it says icons, English Holidays. That's what I want to link to for sure. Do OK. There it is. Now, that's not actually linking to anything. That's just a happy little image saying Happy Holidays. If I wanted it to actually link somewhere in the website, I could hover over it, right-click on it, oops, and go to Image Properties. And there's a link there. So the second one is link. I could either browse, well, I just type in the URL is the easiest thing. So it would be, I'd copy it from somewhere else on the website. So if I wanted to go to recreation or something like that, I would click on recreation. And I would take the URL at the top there, copy it, come back to here, and I would just paste it in there. And then I would do OK. And now there's a link on this. We can just double check it. Well, we can do open link just for fun. Pop-up blocked. Okay. Well, my browser always allow pop-ups. Done. Okay. Open link. There, and it takes me to the recreation link. All right. So if you want to just test it, just put on yourself on registered there. Show title, no, because whatever. But enabled, yes. And I'm going to do save. And if I go to the recreation website and I go to the home page, it's not there because I'm not signed in. So go to the bottom, log in, because it's only unregistered. Log in. I guess I'm logged in now, currently logged in. There we go. So happy holidays. There's a little snowman with the happy holidays underneath. So that's all there is to do modules. So if you have any questions, feel free to call me. So take care. Bye.